Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Okay, for today we are going to have the laboratory session. For your first laboratory session, we are going to learn a little bit about Microsoft Office. Okay, there are many applications in Microsoft Office, but for your syllabus, we just focus on three apps, on three software, which are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, actually, this morning I have to attend a seminar in Dewan Besar. So this video was recorded last night and I scheduled it to be uploaded at 8 a.m. this morning. Okay, before we go to our learning, first you have to check your Google Classroom. I have posted a new assignment. This is the real assignment that contribute to your total marks. I put it under assignment section in your Google Classroom under classwork menu. Okay, click on assignment 1. And there is a word instruction here, Microsoft Word instruction. You have to click to view the full instruction for the assignment 1. Okay, this assignment 1 contributes to 20%. Okay, the outcome of this assignment is student will be able to describe the vital basic characteristics needed in pursuing the path of mechanical engineering, and also to identify the current issues on ethics or responsibilities of engineer. Okay, what you have to do is select one of the mechanical engineering profession currently that we have now. Example, production engineer, design engineer, maintenance engineer, quality engineer, automotive engineer, and aeronautic engineer, aerospace engineer, okay, and so on lah. So you have to choose one what you prefer and what is your ambition, and find the articles from newspapers, books, or internet regarding to the profession you choose, and then create a 10 minutes presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint that include all the following items. Okay, 4 items that must be included in your presentation. The presentation should be in PowerPoint format. Okay, the first criteria you have to include in your presentation is explanation of the profession and recent data demand regarding the profession. Okay, so this is like the demand of the profession in the industry. Okay, one of example you can do is find the job strip or job advertisement website in the internet and find each of profession you choose and save as or screenshot the screen and put in the presentation. Okay, the data of the job offered in the industry. And B, routes or ways on how to be in that profession. Okay, some profession in mechanical engineering needs a specific certification such as aerospace or aeronautic engineer. You have to get the license from the professional bodies of the flights industry lah. Okay, and also like for the construction engineering, construction industry, some of you must have the professional engineer from the BEM, okay, to ensure you have the highest certificate in the industry. And also in the oil and gas, also they have their own certification or their own certified bodies that regulate what certified or exam you have to be taken, you have to take before you are qualified in that industry. Okay, so let's say if you choose the production engineer, and then you have to find how or ways to be in that industry. Okay, that is B criteria. Okay, for the C, you also have to include your presentation. What are the necessary skills required and responsibilities in the profession? The job scope, okay, the specific skill, such as in the design engineer, you must be very skillful in the CAD software, and you must be very creative, and so on, so on lah. Okay, so you have to find the skills required and responsibilities in that industry and put it in your PowerPoint presentation. And finally, the D, you also have to know the current issues on ethics or future of the profession. Okay, so all of these criteria must be in your presentation, which is 10 minutes presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, and then from that Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, you have to create a video presentation, any suitable platform or video format on the topic chosen. Okay, we have a feature in the Microsoft PowerPoint that can record your slide presentation and also include your own voice using your microphone. Okay, I will show you how to do the recording in the PowerPoint, but you also can do it by your own skills. If you have any other software that can record your PowerPoint presentation, you also can do by your own chosen software. Okay, and then you have to submit the soft copy of your presentation slide, which is in PowerPoint format, pptx.pptx, and also video presentation before the deadline given by me. Okay, that's why here in the instruction, I put the due date is on 30th October 2020. So you must submit the link to your PowerPoints and video by posting it in your assignment in the Google Classroom. Okay, the video, you also can upload it into the YouTube and share your link to me by posting it in the assignment here. But for the PowerPoint files, you have to put it in the Google Drive and share link of that file to me. Okay, you must complete this assignment before 30th October 2020. Okay. Okay, that's it for the assignment explanation by me. Okay, we have a break before we start our learning using Microsoft Word. Okay, open your Microsoft Word and click on New, and you can choose the template that is provided in the Microsoft Word. For this case, I choose the blank document. Okay, so what you're going to do for today, you have to write an essay. Okay, the topic is why I choose mechanical engineering course, and you write the essay using this format that I put in the instruction. First, you have to make sure your size of the paper is A4, the margin 3 cm top, 3 cm bottom, 4 cm left, and 3 cm right. And for the footer, you have to put the page number at the bottom right. And each sentence, each line of sentence have to be double spacing. And your font should be the Calibri and 12 size. And your essay should no more than 200 words. Okay, first, I will teach you how to set the A4 size. Okay, if any of you have already known how to do this format, so you can start writing your own essay why you choose mechanical engineering course. Okay, but I give you a little bit tutorial how to set the format. Okay, for A4 size, you click on the layout. In the left menu here, there is margin sub menu. Okay, you click on that, and there will be pop-up of choices here, options here. Okay, there is 2.5 cm, 1.27, 2.5, 2.45, 2.45, 2.45. Okay, these are the standards, but for this task, I want you to put 3 cm top, 3 cm bottom, 4 cm left, and 3 cm right. So you have to do the custom margin here. Click custom margin, and okay, and then this menu will pop up, and you put top 3 cm as I instructed. 3 cm, bottom 3 cm, left 4 cm, and right 3 cm. Okay, and the orientation I didn't mention here, so leave it at portrait. Okay, and for the A4 size, click on the paper here. Okay, make sure it is A4, because sometimes by default it is letter here, so make sure it is A4 size. Okay, then click OK. So okay, so it shows now the new format of margin. Okay, to make sure it is 4 cm here, 3 cm above, 3 cm bottom, and 3 cm right. Okay, so you can enable the ruler here. So you can see here 4 cm, this one 3 cm. Okay, if you want to enable the grid line, okay, then so on. Okay, for the footer, so we complete the A4 size and the margin format. Okay, then for the footer, make sure you okay, sorry, yeah. Okay, design. Okay, click on the insert and find this page number here or footer here, but I need the page number, so just click the page number and choose the bottom page and find the right bottom here. So it is automatically put the page number. Okay, and for the double spacing, there is this template of the format, writing format. You can click here to choose any style you want. But if you choose the default here, okay, this is the normal format for the paragraph, and this is no spacing. There is no spacing between the lines. This is heading 2, the title. Okay, let's say this is a title. I put it title, and then the alignment, put it in the center. Okay, but for the double spacing, you just right click on the normal and modify. Okay, so click on the format paragraph, and you will see the spacing here, spacing option settings here. So choose the line spacing drop down, click on the double spacing. So click OK, then OK. Okay, so you see now it changed your spacing between the lines. Okay, and then for the font, I think all of you may already know about this. Just highlight or just click Ctrl A to select all the words if you want to change all the words to the Calibri. If you want to change your font lah. Okay, so if I pick Calibri, and then if you choose font, so we set all the words you selected will be 12 size, even your own title. But I don't want this title to be 12 size, so I highlight the title and click again the title, so it will change to the default setting. Okay, and then finally I need you to write the essay no more than 200 words. So how do you know if you exceed the 200 words? Okay, let's say I copy paste some of the articles in the internet. I don't want it is bullet, I want it is on normal, so it will change to the double spacing that we set earlier. Okay, so how many words are in this article that I pasted from the internet? I copy paste from the internet. Okay, I can select the words that I want to count by selecting, highlighting all of them, and then you see here it shows that there are 430 words. Okay, if you click here there, and then you will get the details information. Okay, so make sure you write the essay using the Microsoft Word, and then choose the right format, the same as I put in this instruction, and then you have to save it into PDF format. Okay, how to save it in the PDF format? First, you have to save your own Microsoft Word file first. Okay, so save and put it in your any folder you have. I just put it in desktop and then save. Okay, to convert it to PDF format, because the PDF format is the very universal format to be seen or to be opened by all the users using multiple devices. Like let's say they don't have the Microsoft Word in the MacBook or in your Android device. So if you convert it to the PDF first, so they can open this file in any other devices. So save as edit PDF, or if you don't have this option, I have this option because I have the Adobe account. You also can click on Save As and choose the format here and find the PDF. Okay, and then save. Okay, so it can be opened and read in the PDF reader. Okay, so I think that's all for the Microsoft Word for today. So make sure you write the essay here and submit to me before 20 October. Submit it in the Google Classroom. Okay, thank you. So we have a little break and then we continue with the Microsoft PowerPoint lesson. Thank you. Okay, so now we continue with our PowerPoint tutorial. I hope many of you have already know how to use the PowerPoint. Okay, first click on the file and just click on the new. You can choose the template that are provided, but you also can click on blank presentation if you want to create your own template. Okay, I just use the template that is provided here. Let's say which one is better? Okay, let's say gallery. Okay, so then create. So automatically they put the background of the slide using their own template style. Okay, which is in this case is the wall of a room. Okay, and then it will guide you what to write on the slide. This is click to add title, so this is the title you have to write. Okay, example of the slide, and then you also can click add subtitle, maybe a little bit a description of your slide. Okay, and then you can right click here, and you have to choose you want to have new slide or you want to reuse the slide. Reuse the slide is basically the duplicate of our slide here. So let's say I reuse slide. I can use my other past PowerPoint, or I want to have new slide and just click slide. So I don't want to use the reuse. Okay. Let's say, okay, if you want to change your size, you also just can resize the box here. And if you want to put anything you want, just click here to add text. But if you don't want to add the text, you can delete it and click on the insert at the top menu and choose what you want to put there. Let's say I want to put the shapes. Okay, maybe I want to adjust a rectangular shape. And if you want this rectangular shape is added with the text, you can right click on that shape and click on the edit text. So it will write just nice in the box. Let's add this. That's the example. Okay, if you want to click, if you want to insert the table, just choose the table and resize it. And if you want to delete. Okay, so if you never used the PowerPoint before, so right now you have to try by your own and try to explore it. Try and error each one of this menu. I cannot cover up all the menus by teaching you in this session. It's not enough time. Okay. So if you want to use this slide, just duplicate slide and then edit. Let's say I want to put in the center. Duplicate slide, and this one I put it right center. Okay. Let's say I want to use the new slide and choose the video. Okay, video. Okay, example of the slow motion. Insert. So we have this video here. Okay, so now we have 5 slides. So I want to show you how to present using these 5 slides. Okay, before that, you have to save. Just put it in your own folder or Google Drive. That's your own choice lah. So I put into the document, save. Okay. Okay, by clicking here, slideshow, you can start the slideshow. Because I start it at the 5th slide, so you must have clicked on the first slide first. So click here, slideshow. Okay, so just click any key or mouse click to skip to the next slide. Let's say this is our 2nd slide, this is 3rd slide, this is 4th slide, and this is our last slide. Okay, so if you can click the play button, so it will play your video. Okay, I think many of you have already known how to use the PowerPoint. Okay, so now for our assignment, you have to record 10 minutes PowerPoint presentation. So I want to teach you how to use the PowerPoint and record it for your video. Okay. Go on the slideshow here and slideshow menu here and choose the record slideshow. Okay. So by click on the drop down menu, there are options record from current slide, which is where you put the current slide by clicking the numbers of slides, or you can click on record from beginning if you want to record early or at the first slide. So I put the record from the beginning. Okay, so here you have the setting menu. This is the menu to record, stop, or replay. And the right side, you have the settings, shows the audio settings. So click on the settings and you can choose your own microphone. For me, I have this microphone, so I already click it and enable it. Okay. Okay, so I try to start record. Hello, this is the example of the PowerPoint recording. Okay, I will show you one by one the slide and forth, and I click here and it play the video, and finally it finish. So that's all. Okay. Okay, let's have a break. I will show you where is the file is, and before that we have a 5 minutes break. Hello, this is the example of the PowerPoint recording. Okay, I will show you. Click here and it play the video, and finally play the video, and finally it finish. Okay. So we have recorded our slides presentation, and here you can see the clear here. You can clear all the timings and your narration that already recorded. Okay, if you clear here, so you have to record it again. But for this slide, I just want you to show by recording that, and then you can go to the file and you can export it as a video. Click on the create a video and choose the option the size of your video. You can have 4K, HD, 720p, or 480p. So I just choose the full HD, and under that you can choose don't use the recorded timing and narration, so it just plain quiet presentation. But if you have given your own narration during the recording, so you can choose the use recorded timing and narration. Okay, and then you can setting your own each slide's duration, how many seconds. If let's say 2 seconds for each slide or 3 seconds, you can choose by your own. So click video, create video, and choose where you want to save it. Okay, I just click on the desktop, and so that's it. Okay, monitor the progress here. Wait it to complete first before we open the video file to check. Okay, wait just a few seconds. Okay, that's it, it's finished. So where is my video file? Okay, this one. Example of the slide. Okay, I try to here I Hello, this is the example of the PowerPoint recording. Okay, I will show you one by one the slide and pause, and I click here and it play the video, and finally it finish. Okay, so we have 90 seconds because I have recorded it just for 19 seconds in the PowerPoint. So make sure you try to setting the duration to match up your 10 minutes video presentation. Okay, so I hope you can do your assignment well. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group or discuss with your own friend. Okay, so that's it, the tutorial of PowerPoint for today. If you want to know more and try to do a little bit more using this PowerPoint, you can use or explore by your own, and also can try to find the tutorial video in the YouTube. There are tons of videos in the YouTube that you can learn. Okay, so thank you for the PowerPoint session. So we have a little break and I will continue to Microsoft Excel. So wait for my next video. Okay, so for now, we are going to learn the Excel, Microsoft Excel. This is also one of the essential software for the engineers. Okay, I hope you already know how to use this Excel. Okay, just click the new to start. Just click the new here. And there are also so many templates provided by the Microsoft, but we just have to click the blank workbook. Okay, so there are so many columns, there are so many rows, because this is what we call spreadsheet. You can use this column and rows to put your data or to analyze your values, and also to give it a little programming to use your data. Okay, let's say I uh okay, I try to show you how to count your CGPA. Okay, so you can put your semester 1 results. Okay, uh as an example, you have MEC, we put it here subject. Okay, MEC 101, let's say Physics 132. I don't remember your real code, I just put it there. CTU blah 111, let's say, I don't know. Or as HBU 111, or as MEC1385185. Okay, I don't remember it, just put it there. Okay, so semester, the results A, B, C, or D. I put it the point, okay, the GPA 4 flat, because you get A for MEC 101. Okay, let's say for the physics you have 3.5, 3.75 A minus, 3.33 CTU B plus, okay, and then HBU maybe 4. Okay, MEC maybe you all just get C, so that's only 2. Okay, and then we have credit hour. Okay, for the MEC 11 you have 3, physics you have 3 credit hours, so CTU you have, I don't remember, maybe 2, HBU you have 1, and then MEC you have 3. Okay, the formula to get your CGPA is the total grade of that subject times with credit hours. So total you have total all, and then you will divide by your total of credit hour, and then you will get the final CGPA for this semester. Okay, so this is credit hours, this is the grade for your results. I put it grade. Okay, just to make it more cantik, put it center. Okay, I put it there, here, bold, and this one bold, and I don't want this row, so I click on that row and right click that and delete. Okay, it will shift up. Okay, you can put it total grade. The formula itself is grade times credit hour. Okay, you can track its length. Okay, so for now I want this Excel to calculate each of this row where the grade will be multiplied with the credit hour, and the results will be visible here, will be appeared here, and then we total up using the formula here. So for this column you have to click here, and then first you have to key the equal symbol, this one. So the Excel now know that you want to write the formula. So it's simple. You just click the grade. So will appear here as G9 because this column is G and its row is 9. So it knows this one is G9. So I want the G9 to times with H9. So we have to key in the star symbol here. So it means the multiply. It means multiply process. So G9 must multiply with H9. So click on the H9. Okay, so you see here. And then if you certify with your own formula here, so you have to click enter on your keyboard. So it will show its results, which is 4 times 3 is 12. So you don't want to repeat the formula here, but you know the row under it is the same formula as this row. So you just drag this point and drag it to the row that you want, and then release your mouse. So that's it. It will count it automatically. Okay, so make sure it is centered if you want it to be nice. And then here I want it the total, so I put it the total. So click on the column here, right again, put the equal symbol, and then you can write the sum and the bracket, and click on here and drag to the point that you want. So it will put I3, I9, which is this column, until I13, until I13 row there. So close bracket and enter. So it will show the results of the summation for this column. Okay, so okay, delete here. So now we have to use this value to divide with the total credit hour if we refer to this formula, and then finally we will get the CGPA of this semester. Okay, I put here CGPA, and this is the point that you want to be your CGPA results here. Okay, click on this column again, put it the equal symbol, and then total credit. Okay, this one divide by total of credit hour. You don't have yet the total of credit hour. Don't worry, you can put directly the sum of all these credits hours. So drag, just select all the columns and close bracket, and then you see I14, this one, I14, divide by the summation of all columns from H9, here H9, until H13. So that's it. Then if you certify with your formula, just click enter. So that's it. This is your results. And then you can do anything that you want, to calculate anything that you want. And even for the MEC101 you also can use this Excel. Okay, and to refer or to know more about the programming, you can find in the internet or YouTube, and also you can click on the help and you can learn from here. Okay, because I don't have time to teach you all about the Excel, I just show you just the basic one. So make sure you are very good in the Excel, because Excel is very important for our engineering. As you know, engineering do a lot of calculations. Okay, uh, so that's it. I don't give your assignment yet for this Excel, but maybe later after you completed your assignment one, I can give you a simple task to complete the task by using the Excel. Okay, so thank you. If you have problems, let me know, and just put your question in the WhatsApp group. I will try my best if I have time and I know the answer. Okay, thank you. And that's all for today for our laboratory session for Monday, 19 October 2020. So, Assalamualaikum and thank you.